the Tascam 2488 that a lot of people don't know about is that it has a built-in drum machine. A lot of mixers, I've never known a mixer to have that, so I was just blown away when I saw that. And that's on this MIDI panel right there. As you can see, there's a MIDI player. You hit that player button, you actually get a screen that gives you choices between different beats that you can play. And I'm about to demonstrate that here in a moment. I hit the MIDI button that we just discussed, and this is what pops up. It's a list of beats that you can pick from. And I chose a beat to mess with. If you press enter on that screen, yes, enter, it comes up with options. And I just called beat BLD 17. I think it means build or whatever. They have pop, they have build, they have R&B, all kind of beats that are pre-built, and you can make your own. So I just chose the BD17 like that one, and I press enter, and it comes up. You make sure that that track is pulled up, the level on it, and then you on that MIDI channel, and then you just start playing, and it'll just start playing the beat, whatever beat you selected. I thought that sounded kind of like a Marvin Gaye song, I know, so I tried to play it out with some instruments on top of it so y'all can get a feel of what can be done with this little beat track. Enjoy.